Practical uses of ChatGPT. Enhance your productivity and knowledge. In this video, we explore the practical applications of ChatGPT, an AI language model that can assist you in various tasks. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can help with information retrieval, writing assistance, language translation, coding, recommendations, creative writing, general knowledge, and more. Information retrieval. Discover how to quickly get answers to your questions, from capital cities to historical facts, just by asking ChatGPT. Writing help. Learn how ChatGPT can provide suggestions, brainstorm ideas, and even generate sample sentences to enhance your writing skills. Language translation. Find out how ChatGPT can assist in translating phrases or sentences from one language to another, making communication easier. Coding assistance. Explore how ChatGPT can aid programmers by offering guidance, suggestions, and solutions to coding problems. Personalized recommendations. Uncover how ChatGPT can recommend books, movies, restaurants, and even help plan your next vacation based on your preferences. Creative writing. See how ChatGPT can inspire your creativity by generating story ideas, character names, or even complete paragraphs. General knowledge and trivia. Discover how ChatGPT can engage in informative conversations, providing answers and interesting tidbits on a wide range of topics. From travel assistance and educational support to news updates and emotional companionship, ChatGPT is a valuable tool to enhance productivity and expand your knowledge. Please remember that while ChatGPT strives to be helpful, it may not always provide the most accurate or up-to-date information. Exercise critical thinking and verify important facts from reliable sources. Join us in this informative video and explore the practical uses of ChatGPT to make your life easier and more engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's dive into the world of ChatGPT together.